Hello everyone, welcome back to our data structure series. I'm Revati, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from SNS College of Technology. In our today's video, we are going to learn about linked list implementation. It is one of the most important linear data structure used in all programming languages. By the end of this video, you will understand why linked lists are needed in our day-to-day life, how they work, their advantages, and the basic operations performed on them. Let's get started. Let's we see this topic one by one in the design thinking phases. First phase of design thinking is empathize. Before learning a new data structure, let's understand the problem statement of the today's linked list concept. Most beginners use arrays to store data. However, arrays have several limitations, such as their limitation is fixed. Inserting an element in the middle requires shifting all remaining elements towards the end. Then deleting an element also requires shifting. Sometimes the memory is wasted because unused array locations still occupy the space. Imagine maintaining a class attendance list where students join or leave frequently. Updating an array every time becomes insufficient. So we need a better solution. This is where the linked list comes in. The second phase of the design thinking is define phase. Now let's define the problem. We need a data structure that can grow and shrink dynamically, or allows easy insertion and deletion, uses memory efficiently. That means can reuse the free space for the future operations. Then does not require contiguous memory locations. The solution is the linked list, which stores data dynamically using nodes connected through the links. Then this is the phase 2. Let's we move to the phase 3, that means ideate phase. So we exactly is the linked list. A linked list is made up of nodes. Already I told that each node contains a data and a pointer or reference to the next node. Unlike arrays, linked list elements are stored at different memory locations and connected using pointers. The first node is called the head node. The last node points to null value, indicating the end of list. The major benefits of a linked list is dynamic size, efficient insertion, and efficient deletion. And it is also better memory utilization. These features make linked list ideal for applications where data changes frequently. Then the next we move to the phase 4, that means prototype. Now let's see the main operations performed on a linked list. Some of the basic operations are create, traversal, insertion, deletion, searching, and updation. Creating a node is nothing but each node stores data and the address of the next node. Then the traversal. Traversal means visiting each and every node is present in the linked list one by one from the head to null. This operation is used to display all elements in the linked list. Then the next operation will be the insertion. Insertion can be done at the beginning, at the end, or any specific position. Unlike arrays, no shifting of elements are required. Next operation is deletion. Deletion removes a node from the list by changing the list between the nodes. Again, no shifting is needed. Then the last operation is searching. Searching checks whether a particular value exists in the list or not. The list is traversed from the head until the required element is found or at the end of the list is reached. These operations form the foundation of linked list implementation in programming languages like Python, C, and Java. Let's we conclude the today topic is Let's quickly recap. Today we learned about why arrays have some limitations and what a linked list is, structure of a node, advantages of linked list over the array, then what are all the basic operations are performed in the linked list. The basic operations such as creation, traversal, insertion, deletion and updation. Now here is the quick quiz for the today's topic. Question number 1. Which of the following is a linear data structure? The options are tree, graph, linked list and heap. Yes, the answer is linked list. Then these are the some quiz questions based on today's topics. These are the references as I have used to prepare this PPT. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.